Hello everyone, happy Saturday. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to a new crochet tutorial. I continue working on reducing my yarn stash, and lately I've been focusing on my Truboo yarn collection. I already made 4 scarves with this yarn. The tutorials for all of them are already available on my channel, and today's tutorial is for another simple scarf made with 1 skein of Truboo yarn. This is a category 3 lightweight yarn, 100% rayon from bamboo. One skein has 100 grams or 241 yards. This specific color is mushroom. I crocheted with the hook size F 3.75 millimeters. This is a small scarf which measures about 37 inches long and 5.5 inches wide. But of course, you can easily adjust the pattern for your preferred size, or you can use the stitch for another project of your choice. This is a 1-row repeat pattern, and the crochet fabric looks the same on both sides. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting. The starting chain must be a multiple of 4, and I start with 28 chains. Here I have 28 chains. Now into the 4th chain from the hook I will work 2 double crochets. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And over here I work 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Now 1 chain, and into the same chain where I just worked 2 double crochets, I also work a half double crochet. I skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the next one I will work 3 double crochets, 1 chain and 1 half double crochet. So first I make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. Now I make 1 chain and 1 half double crochet. All of these stitches were worked into the same chain. I skipped the next 3 chains, but I need to be careful here because when I worked all these stitches into 1 chain, the next one became quite small because this one stretches and the next chain becomes quite small and difficult to see, but I need to make sure I'm counting it too. So 1, 2, 3, I skip 3 chains, and into the next one I make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, then 1 chain and 1 half double crochet, like that. Skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the next one again 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 1 chain and 1 half double crochet. And that's how I'm gonna continue crocheting all the way across. Here I am at the end of the row. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 chains left. I skip 3 chains, and into the last one I make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, then 1 chain and 1 half double crochet. Now the first row is finished, and here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pattern repeats. I turn my work and I start the next row with 2 chains, 1, 2. These 2 chains will count as the first double crochet. Now into this chain 1 space right here, I work 2 double crochets, 1, 2, then 1 chain, and into the same space I make a half double crochet. I skip the next 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and I also skip the next half double crochet. And over here I have a chain 1 space, and into this chain 1 space I make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 1 chain and 1 half double crochet. Again, I skip the next 3 double crochets and the next half double crochet, and into the next chain 1 space I work 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, then 1 chain and 1 half double crochet. And that's how I continue crocheting into the next chain 1 space, 3 double crochets, 1 chain and 1 half double crochet. And I will see you at the end of this row. At the end of the row, this is the last chain 1 space, and into that chain 1 space I make 3 double crochets, 1 chain and 1 half double crochet. And the second row is now finished. I turn my work, and all I need to do now is to repeat row number 2. So I start with 2 chains, 1, 2, into the first chain 1 space I work 2 double crochets, 1, 2, then 1 chain and 1 half double crochet. The next chain 1 space is over here, and I make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 1 chain and 1 half double crochet. And that's how I'm gonna continue crocheting this row and all the following rows until I reach the desired length of my scarf, and then I can simply fasten off. So basically this stitch is just a variation of the classical drunken granny stitch. In the classic one, you would have 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 1 double crochet. But over here you have 3 double crochets, 1 chain and 1 half double crochet. And as you make more rows, this pattern becomes very easy, very intuitive, and very enjoyable to work.